Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. There's little evidence the global economy is on the rise. Bond markets certainly don't think so. But first, last week there was a rare rise in American mortgage applications, now off a lower base however, but also helped by a sharply lower mortgage interest rates. Their benchmark 30-year fixed rate fell to 7.61% plus points, a retreat from 7.86%, and the largest fall since July 2022. Of course, they're following the US Treasury rates lower. American beef prices are rising and sharply as drought threatens cattle herds. Although this is not strictly news, the trend has been around for more than a year. The drought slaughter in the southwest is ending, and the overall US herd is much smaller now. Imports will be benefiting significantly from this. In China, concern about the country's lackluster economy and troubled property market has led to rising discontent among citizens, a new study shows. And Beijing is about to make a classic mistake in its efforts to stave off a country garden bankruptcy. The giant real estate developer has avoided a complete collapse, but is on its last legs. In desperation, Beijing has now ordered Insur Pingan to invest to save it. One huge zombie could well infect a healthy company. Meanwhile, their central bank said it will provide emergency liquidity to regions with heavy debt as necessary to help local governments resolve debt risks. Again, more debt to resolve unsustainable debt issues. In Australia, they had their driest October since 2002 due to El Nino. Rainfall was 65% below the 1961 to 1990 average. Globally, September air cargo traffic was up 1.6% from the same month a year ago, and the fastest growing region was the Asia Pacific region, up 4.2%. But the overall levels are still 1.8% lower than September 2019 and 3% lower than in the Asia Pacific region. The US Treasury 10-year yield is down from yesterday as bond prices rise again, now at 4.53% and a drop of another 4 basis points. And the price of gold will start today at $1,954 an ounce, and down another $10 from yesterday. And oil prices have fallen again overnight, down another $2.50 to be just over $75.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is down more, now just under $78 a barrel. These are 3.5-month lows. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 59.3 US cents and unchanged from this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're also unchanged at 92.3 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're a little lower at 55.3 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 69 and also little changed. Get more news about the New Zealand economy from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.